carving out smile lines has been something people have been asking me about, so I'm going to show you with these 2 bits some tricks. What seems to happen is if you just use the carbide and carve back further like it had grown, people are intimidated. So this little spaceship bit is a diamond, so it's not cutting, it's grinding. And let me show you, it feels a little safer. So you would line it up, not just back, but see how I rotated down so that angle is perpendicular or straight up from the nail plate, and then back so that that new smile line is back. So it's kind of an interesting little thing, and then you can go in with a carbide and clean it out. But let me show you how to do this. So I put it in my e-file, I pull it out and give it a little space. If they're longer, you give them more space because you need to drop your wrist in order for that angle to be straight up and down from the nail plate. So see, my e-file handpiece is actually lower than the nail. And then I just go along and I'm gonna trace. You can see how it cut in that little line perfectly. I'm just tracing where I want that line to be. Now, even though this is diamond, it actually goes through the product really well. And then you have less fear or phobia of hitting the natural nail a little bit because you're at the diamond bit. But I'm still leaving product under it. And look how beautiful I can carve that. And I'm just pulling the skin away on the side if it were real. Now, the cool thing is, see this little gap it's made where it drops off like a good Grand Canyon, I call it? That's what you want. Some people will just pull white right in there. I do worry it will shadow. So then what I do is I'll go in and take my carbide and I'll clean out all that extra product and thin out the white and just up to that line. So I'm actually leaving the line. I'm just making sure that the product all drops below it. So when I fill in the white is all really, really even. So a couple little extra things to remember is you've got to drop your wrist. So your e-file handpiece actually has to be below the surface so it's perpendicular. And then you can go in and clean it out and get the rest of the product gone. Look, so you have a nice shelf, a space to put in the new product, and you are not using a scary carbide, even though I think they're amazing, but that diamond spaceship really helps. So I'll put links below to this. These bits where I get them, they are fantastic. Again, remember, you're dropping it below. If you rotate it up, you'll create a shadow. You need a straight line, so drop below and then go for it. And then if you'd like to clean it out, I use a carbide and coarse. Okay, hopefully this helps you guys. Subscribe, let me know anything else I can do to help you.